everyone, very good afternoon all of you. How are you all? Very good afternoon. So today I thought that okay, let's complete the computer graphics because this topic is only remaining. So before exam, why should not we complete this topic also? Yes, all of you are ready to complete this topic with me? Yes. So many things we learned from artificial intelligence. Now this is the time to learn computer graphics before exam because computer graphics is also the next important subject and it is easy area from where easily you can collect the marks. In UGC NET Unit 3, under Unit 3 the computer graphics is coming. So 5 questions from computer graphics, 5 questions from programming, they are asking like that. Yes, now it's stuck again. Whenever I am connecting with YouTube, then video getting stuck, right? Let's see if again it gets stuck, then I will stop the video. Then I have to stop the video. Okay, let's see. Let's start. So without wasting time, good afternoon everyone. So here 2023 you can see from which area questions are coming. Programming 2, computer graphics 2 question, programming 8 question, computer graphics 2 question, programming 6 question. Here what are the area? Main area of computer graphics, if you see that scaling, raster scan device, 2D array, 1D array, 2D transformation, 1D 3D transformation, array, binary image, Bezier curve, Blee-Spreen graph. This was the question. Here also if you are coming to computer graphics, then you can see 2D transformation, clipping, storage numerical, Bezier curve. Again in 2021 also you can see the 3D transformation, Bezier curve, computer graphics, storage numerical, raster function. It is the programming, recursive function, matrix transformation. Here also Bezier curve, cubic curve, GOT and functioning. These are the main area of computer graphics. So that's why we will focus on first of all 2D transformation and all types of 2D transformation, that is we are going to do, and from here we will do the question also. I will try to cover as much as possible topic quickly so that before exam you can get it quickly, but it is conceptually also, definitely not like that without concept we will do. So here 2D transformation, what is called transformation? Transformation means in the graphics changing something, transforming some object, that is the changing the object. It can be different way. There are different types of transformation. What are the different types of transformations are there? One by one I am telling you. First one is the translation. Translation means translating. Translating means one point is shifted to another point. This one is a point. Now you are translating this point to here. Means actually you are shifting the point. The position is shifting. That is called translation. Now whenever the position is shifting, wherever the coordinate was xy and you are shifting to x dash y dash. xy was the coordinate and you are shifting to x dash y dash. How I can calculate? I can calculate ki how much x axis, how much transformation done, and y axis how much transformation done. Through that way if we are calculating, then I can get that what is the translation. So that's why here if this is the position like 2 3 position and this is the position maybe 6 7 position, so how much transformation is done? That is 2 plus 4, that's why this one is actually 4, and this is 3 plus 4, that is actually 7. So 2 plus 4 I am getting here 6, and then 3 plus 4 I am getting here 7. So Tx and Ty value is here 4, 4. Tx is also 4, Ty is also 4. Right? In that way actually the translation is going on. This is the way how the translation is going on. Is that clear? Yes. Graphics quiz class I am doing and my graphics card is getting, what is the, whenever in YouTube it's coming, then there is the problem. I off my video, okay? Again and again it's getting stuck. So it will be not good. I will switch off my video and I will continue the class. Okay. Now the rotation. What is the rotation? Whenever the rotation is going on, in the rotation we rotate the object for a particular angle. We rotate the object for a particular angle from the figure, and after that it is the angle. Here you can see the angle. Here is the PXY. PXY is rotating to this position, that is PX dash Y dash, in this position. Now whenever I am rotating it, then what is going on? That is, I need to calculate the angle here. So initially my angle was phi. Now this is shifted to in this location, that is, after that more theta degree I transfer. Right? So previously what was the x and y? Xy, according to the trigonometry we know that xy is x cos phi and sine r sin phi. R cos phi and r sin phi, that is the initial value. Now after that actually this is changing to scaling. I am not coming here to scaling, I am coming here to rotation. So in the rotation here this total angle is what? This total angle is actually theta plus phi. This is the total angle. So whenever I am doing theta plus phi, this is r cos theta plus phi. So r cos theta plus phi means cos A plus B. According to that formula, what it is? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That is here cos A cos B sin A sin B. And same way here it will be sin A plus B, because this angle is sin theta plus phi. That theta plus phi, according to the formula of sin A plus B, cos A sin B plus sin A cos B. That's why your answer will be this one, x dash y dash. Now here what I can do? X is actually r cos phi. So in the place of r cos phi I can put x. Y is r sin phi. So in the place of r sin phi I can put y. Here also I can put x. Here also I can put y. So if I put the value, then I will get this new value, that is this one. I will put this value here. After putting the value, ultimately my answer will come here. X cos theta minus y sin theta and x sin theta plus y cos theta. This is your formula for rotation. This is the formula for rotation. If I am converting into the into matrix format. Now most of the time student will do mistake in matrix format. Okay, this is minus and this one will be minus. You will write that, okay, here is the cos theta, here is the minus sin theta, but don't do that mistake, because matrix multiplication, here I am doing multiply with xy. Matrix multiplication is going on if xy is here and you are doing multiplication with this one will be multiplied with this one, and then again this one will be multiplied with this one. Then you will get the value, and that's why your x and y will be multiplied like this way. This x cos theta minus sin theta will be here, and this sin theta and cos theta will be here in this direction, and that's why your rotation matrix will be this one. Most of the time students are getting confused, ma'am, here is minus sin theta y, here is plus, here is sin theta y, here is minus. because it is matrix multiplication we will do in the matrix format whenever we are writing. That is actually the matrix multiplication. That's why we should write in this way. And this formula and the matrix representation is very important, because in exam questions are coming and rotation matrix is most important area. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes. So here R is the rotation matrix. You can see R. So rotation matrix of R is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Is it clear to everyone? And here can be positive angle and negative angle also. This is according to the positive angle, because rotation I can do in this rotation direction also, rotation I can do in this direction also. Two direction is possible, clockwise also, anti-clockwise also. So here if I am doing the negative angle, then I have to take minus theta, minus theta, minus theta, minus theta. So actually cos minus a equals to cos a, that is the cos theta. Sin minus a actually minus sin theta, so that's why it is minus. And this one double minus will be positive, that is sin theta, and 1 minus, that is cos theta. So this is for the negative angle. Whenever it is positive angle, then minus sin theta is here. Whenever it is negative angle, then minus sin theta will be here. Must remember that. Question are coming from here. I will ask you question also. Clear? And for rotation you have to remember these values. Trigonometry, ma'am, yes, trigonometry also you need to now recall. In your class 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, in that standard we did. Right? You did this, all this. So these values also you need to remember. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. And cos 0 is 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 1. And not only this value, even also you need to remember these fractions also. Because only here, that is root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2. These values can give you the fraction result, and you have to remember this fraction result also, because sometimes question can come with the fraction. And if you don't know this fraction, then you will be confused. Okay? Clear? Is that clear to everyone? Scaling. Next thing is scaling. Some noise is coming. Please try to adjust everyone. I know that there are some noise coming. Please adjust. So whenever we are doing scaling, how the scaling will work? Scaling means what? What is the meaning of scaling? Scaling means big object you are doing to small object, converting it to the small object. Small object is converted to the bigger one. Means size change. Here this is the change in size. Scaling means change in size. Small to big, big to small. So whenever I am doing changes in size, means either I am multiplying with something or I am dividing with something. 2 times enlarge, 3 times enlarge, or half of the size, 1/3 of the size, 1/4 of the size. Like that way we can do. So either I have to do multiplication or I have to do division. Right? Means either normal directly. Division we cannot say, because if I am doing 1 by x, then actually this is also I can represent as a multiplication, that I want to do y by x. Y by x, how I can write? Y multiply into 1 by x. This way also I can write. So that's why here the scaling factor will be multiplied. X will be multiplied with sx and y will be multiplied with sy. In that way we will do the scaling. Now remember one thing. If it is decrease, then this Sx, Sy, these values will be less than 1, because then it will be 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, like that. So definitely size will be decreased when it is less than 1, and size will be increased when this is greater than 1. When my scaling factors are greater than 1, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times bigger. But half, 1 by third, 1 by fourth, that is getting smaller. And that's why scaling means, what you have to remember, whenever the scaling is there, then 1, here if we provide the value less than 1, then the scaling factor is, then it will be reduce the size of the object, and if we provide greater than 1, then it will increase the size of the object. This is the way how the scaling is working. Okay. X dash y dash xy sx sy. So here this is the scaling matrix, because same way I will multiply, xy will be multiplied with this one, xy will be multiplied with this one. After multiplication, ultimately you will get x dot sx and y dot sy. That will come. So that is the representation in matrix. This is called the scaling. Scaling is clear to everyone, and I will try one time more to switch on my video. This really bothering me a lot. What is the problem in this video? Hello. Again I will try once what is going on in my video. Let's see. I am also trying to fix the bug. Where is the bug? Chalo. Now the next one. Where is the next one? I am not able to detect the problem. Where is the problem? Reflection. Here is the reflection. Reflection is the mirror image of the original object. So here you can see this is the mirror image. This mirror image can be according to x-axis, it can be according to y-axis, it can be according to x and y both, means according to the point, and it can be equals to y equals to x in this point also, in this axis also. Okay. So whenever this is going on, I am doing reflection, means this is working as a mirror. Then how the values will change? Whatever value is there, maybe this value is 2, 3, 2, maybe. Then what will be this value? If this is 3, 2, then opposite value will be definitely 3, minus 2. Means what? Means x dash is as it is, y dash is changing to minus y. Y dash is changed to minus y whenever I am doing according to x axis. According to y axis whenever I am doing, then what will be happen? If this is 3, 2 point, then this point will be minus 3, 2. Means what? Ki x will be as it is, there is no change. X dash will be as it is x, but y dash will be changed to, no, x dash will be minus x, here x dash will be minus x and y dash will be y, right? Here will be both, x also change, y also change, so that's why here x also minus 1, minus x, and it is y dash also will be minus y. These are the way how the reflection will be possible. Okay, so here you can see with the x-axis how will be the matrix. This is the matrix of x-axis, because x-axis y will be changed to minus, y-axis x will be changed to minus, and whenever it's both, then x is also changing, y is also changing. That's why it is the both. X will also minus, y will also minus. And whenever I am doing y equals to x, actually the matrix will be this one. Here is the 1 and here is the 1. That will be changed. And this is actually when according to y equals to x, I am doing the reflection. Then this reflection actually as per the rotation of 45 degree. This matrix will be according to the 45 degree rotation. Sometimes theory question can come. If I am doing the reflection according to y equals to x line, then it is it rotation? And if it is rotation, then how much degree? This is 45 degree rotation will be happen here. Okay. Got it? Clear? Next one is shearing. What is shearing? Shearing means totally shape and size both are changed. Change in shape and size. Totally it will looks like a different object. Oh my god. Whenever I am coming to take class, then only in my neighbor started tuck 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 tuck. I don't know what they are doing. From 15 days it's going on. Tuck 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 tuck. What they are doing, I don't know. And it gets stuck. So many difficulties are going on. So here it is 2D object. Whenever the 2D object is there, then what will be happen? (2D object for the x-axis). Whenever 2D object for the x-axis and the y-axis. This is the here. So x-axis, y-axis, shearing. Shearing is changing the shape also, size also. So x shear means x dash equals to x plus sh dot y, and y dash equals to y. This is the shearing. Okay. Yes. Next one is that sometimes crackers and sometimes really that's why I am taking morning class 5:30 am, so that they will not wake up. That's why the paid cars I am always trying to pay for this time. This time is their sleeping time. All of the people will sleep at that time, and with very silent peaceful mind I am able to take the class. It is my favorite time. That time no disturbance, nothing, total peaceful. It's a nice time. 5:30 उठ के दिखाओ अभी. 5:30 नहीं उठेंगे वो लोग. चलो. So this is the x shear. You can see that here the xy is going on like this way. My shape is changing. Okay. So my matrix format will be x dot y. SHX is here. And SY shear will be x dash equals to x, y dash equals to y plus SHY dot x. Okay. So here x dash y dash equals to xy, and here 1 equals to this SHY will be here. Very careful. Whenever I am doing y dash, then SHY dot x. And whenever I am doing here x dash, this is SHX dot y. Don't do mistake here. Very important to remember. Here's a very high chance that you will do mistake. Don't do mistake here. ठीक है. चलो. Yes. Next one is XH shear. XH together. Whenever X, Y both shear is there, then X dash also change, Y dash also change. But multiplication will be Y multiplied with SHX. X will be multiplied with SHY. So then the matrix format will be 1 SHY and here SHX. Main transformation, main change is here. This is the main change. Don't do mistake in this main change. Yes? Clear? Clear to everyone? Chalo. Yes. Now we will do the composite transformation. Composite transformation means what? What is called composite transformation? Composite means 2 or 3 transformation together. I will do scaling, then I will do rotation, then I will do translation. 2 to 3 means so many translation together, that is called that, so many transformation together, that is called composite transformation. But at the time of composite transformation, you have to be very careful about the order, because in matrix multiplication, if I am doing x dot y, that is never equals to y dot x. That is, we cannot do. That's why here order is a big factor. If they are telling that you have to do the scaling first, then you can do rotation, then you have to follow that only. Don't do that ki rotation first then scaling. Whatever order, you have to maintain the order. The order, if you are not maintaining, then your answer will be wrong. Okay. So the composite transformation, order is a big important factor here. And it is your quick revision chart for all the transformation important: translation, rotation, scaling and reflection. Translation, you can see x dash, y dash, x plus tx, y plus ty. Here rotation, you can see anti-clockwise rotation, then minus sine theta will be here. Whenever clockwise rotation, then minus sine theta will be here. Very careful about that. Whenever clockwise, then minus is here. Whenever anti-clockwise, then minus will be here. Very careful about that. Okay. Other than that, scaling, this is the scaling. Matrix format, Sx, Yx. This is the homogeneous matrix format. Homogeneous means I am adding an extra row here. Whenever I am adding extra row, then I have to make the unit matrix. This is, we are making 0, 0, 1. Here we are making a extra 1. Okay, we are adding one row extra, one row and column with 1 to multiply with this one. That is the extra addition. One row and one column. 1, 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1. This extra we are adding. Here also we will add this one to make it homogeneous transformation. Okay. So in the scaling, the size will be reduced, size will be increased. Here Sx and Sy whenever same, then uniform scaling. Sx not equals to Sy, then it will be different scaling. Means uniform means what? If it is a square matrix, in the square, if it is a square, if I am doing 2 times from x also, 2 times from y also, then it will be uniform. But if I am doing 3 times in x but 2 times in y, then that will be not uniform. That's why when Sx equals to Sy, then it is uniform. Otherwise this is not uniform. These are the things are very important. This is size reduce, size increase, uniform scaling and the different scaling. Remember that. Okay. I hope it's clear to everyone. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes. Chalo, then do this one. Live session to 3 PM from a long time is going on. Rukaya, from a long time 3 PM I am taking live session and I will take 3 PM only. Yes, answers are coming. Option B is the correct answer. 1 0 0 minus 1, this is the reflect, mirror reflect in x-axis. Yes, because with the x-axis the y is changing to minus y dash will be minus y, so it is correct. But here it is given that 2D matrix about x-axis, it is a rotation matrix. No, rotation matrix when it is x equals to y line, then it is rotation matrix, otherwise it is not a rotation matrix. So only S1 is correct but S2 is false. Okay. Yes. Now do this. So now before exam it will be 3 PM only I will take the live class. Sometimes maybe I will try, but I don't know, I am not able to give you guarantee. 2 PM or 2:30 PM also I can try. Okay. Yes. Oh, Rukaiya, you are my new student. Yes, that's why I was not able to pronounce your name. Normally all the old students I am habituated, whenever any new student came, then if little bit different name, it's taking time. With your name only I understand you are new. Thank you. Come to the class every day 3 PM, because 6:30 PM our paid course is going on. 5:30 AM also our paid course is going on. So I am blocked at that. These are the timing now for the paid course MCQ practice on Unified Study app. If you all are interested, you can also join. Answers are coming. Okay, very good, answers are coming. And that's why I told you that yes, with this one, see that how to predict this type of values are possible only in rotation. Only in rotation this type of values are possible, because I told you that minus 3 by 2 these values, minus 1 by root 2 these values. That is only possible in rotation. So here is the rotation going on. So this will be, C will be with 3 definitely. So here I can see with 3 here also. This one not possible, this one not possible. After that I have to check that A, that is this one can match with what. Here I can see this is also 2, this is also 2, right? So it is what matrix where x is also increasing, y is also increasing, that is definitely scaling. Here you can see the scaling is 2 and 2. This is Sx, this is Sy. It is the scaling matrix. So A will be with 2 here. Here is A with 4. No, A will be not with 4. This is the translation. In the translation matrix we have to do, translation matrix is like Tx is here, Ty is here. That is the translation matrix, right? Translation matrix was Tx, Ty will be here. So it is not my translation matrix. This one is not the translation matrix. Translation matrix is this one. This is the translation matrix. So B will be with 4. So your answer will be this one. This is the way you have to identify the transformation. Okay. Achha, can you do this question? Try to solve this one. Can you do this one? Solve this one, and everyone must install Unified Study app. Go to Play Store, search the name Unified Study. You will get your app. Our app, you can get so many free mock tests. So many free mock tests are available for you. You can attempt those mock tests and that will be good for you. All PYQs, subject wise, topic wise PYQs mock tests are available there. And there are free PDF study materials are also available there. So many free things you can avail there. And if you are interested for paid course, then you can join our paid course also. Must install it, must utilize it. It will help you. So what will be the answer? You are not getting the answer. What will be the answer? Anyone? Okay. Yes, how to do that? See, consider a unit square centered at a origin. The coordinate at the square are translated by the factor. So here translation is going on 1 by 2 and 1, and rotation of the angle is 90 degree. What shall be the coordinate of the new square? That it is asking. What shall be the coordinate of the new square? So how to do it? Here the unit matrix means that is actually all side is 1. This is also 1, this is also 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. That is called the unit matrix. So whenever unit matrix, it is in the origin, at origin. So this is at origin. So then definitely this one is half, this part is also half, this is also half, this is also half. So that's why I will get my point. These are the points I am getting. Okay, these are the points you will get, because the question provide you that this is a unit matrix. Consider the unit square centered at origin. In the origin, unit square is there. Unit square means all are 1, 1, 1, 1. Now if this is the origin, then this part is half, this is also half, this is also half, this is also half. In that way you will get the coordinates. So whenever I am getting the coordinates, this coordinates value I got it. Okay, these are all the coordinates. First of all, we will do the translation. There is the translation factor 1 by 2 and 1. So tx is 1 by 2, ty is 1. So add the value. What was the factor? X dash equals to x plus tx and y dash equals to y plus ty. In that way, if you are adding these all values, that with the everyone 1 by 2, 1 by 2, with this one I will add also 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, all these I am doing addition. After that I will get these values. Okay, after that I will get these values after translation. After translation, how it is coming, is that clear? After translation, what is going on, is that clear? A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash, how they are changing. Is that clear? Yes. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is the way it will change. Okay. Yes. Next one is the rotation. Now 90 degree rotation. Rotation by 90 degree means I have to think about that cos 90 degree equals to 0 and sin 90 degree is 1. Right? This is we know. Now I have to put into the formula that x dash equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta. Y dash equals to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now I will put all the values. For A value was 0, 3 by 2, put the value and get the answer. Here also y dash equals to, put the value, get the answer. Same way B value is 1 and 1, 3 by 2. After doing scale, after doing the translation, whatever value you are getting, with that value now put into the rotation with that value. So if you put into the rotation, then you are getting these values. So after that finally you will get the answer. And at the time of doing answer, no need to ma'am, this is very much a lengthy process. Yes, it is little bit lengthy, but you can eliminate the option also. After getting the first one, that is 3 minus 3 by 2 and 0, you can come to the option where is minus 3 by 2 and 0. You can see here is only in the option, here is only minus 3 by 2 and 0. Any other where here also minus 3 by 2 0, here also minus 3 by 2 0. So ma'am, I cannot eliminate. You cannot eliminate, you have to practice. Okay, try to eliminate after doing 1 or 2 step. Try to see can I eliminate or not. Maybe next one also you will do. After that, can I eliminate or not. But this question is important because your composite transformation will be clear, right? And it is a previous year's question only. So you can get this type of question also. Now tell me, what will be the answer for this one? 2D transformation is the very important chapter. Repeated questions are coming from here. Very important chapter. Tell me, what will be the answer for this one? By default, you should go for clockwise. By default, you always go for positive angle, not negative angle. Okay, Jayashree, good question. Here they did not mention that rotation is positive or negative. They did not mention it, definitely. But by default value, we will always go for whenever we are doing rotation. I am going back. See that by default value of rotation here. Whenever we did the rotation, what we will get by default, that is this one, x and y. This is our default value. Okay, whenever you are doing minus, then that is negative axis. That will be your anti-clockwise. So whenever anything is not given, then we will go for the default one, x cos theta minus y sin theta. And whenever it is specifically mentioned that I have to go for negative angle, then only go for negative. Then only you can go do this one. Otherwise not. Okay? Okay, clear? So that's why I did this one. That's why I did this one. X cos theta minus y sin theta and x sin theta plus y cos theta. Yes. What will be the answer for this one? Actually, by default, how it is working, this is your x, y, right? By default, we will rotate in this direction. That is our default value. In this direction, we will rotate. Jayashree not, it is Sri Ramaya. Sorry. Sri Ramaya asked that question. Yes, answers are coming here. Here your answer will be option 3. Why option 3? How to get it option 3? Here you have to observe the question that this is my object and this is now my object. Now first of all, here are some changes. Two types of changes are there. You can see that this area is changed and here this total rotation is there. Definitely it is rotated. This is rotated according to this point. This point is shifted here and after that the object rotated, right? So whenever this point shifted here and the object rotated, after that also actually this value was 2, but now this value change, only this part change. So means rotation is also there and translation, that the point shifted, this point is shifted to another point, that is called the translation. So here is rotation also and translation also. So first of all, whenever the rotation is there, we have to think about the rotation. Here 90-degree rotation. 90-degree rotation is happened, right? This is the 90-degree rotation. So when I will do the 90-degree rotation, then it is cos theta minus sin theta and sin theta cos theta. So here is the 90-degree rotation. We did the 90-degree rotation. That is 0 minus 1, 1, 0. Right? Next one is scaling. No, it is not scaling. It is translation. Scaling means everything should be changed. Here this is my shape. Scaling means this part will be also changed. This part does not change. Only this length is changed. Actually what it will be? Actually if I am rotating this one, what will be happen? If I am rotating this part, then only it will looks like that. If you are drawing here, then it should be looks like this. It should be looks like this, right? But actually you can see this length change, this part change. So this part why change? Because this this should be come here, but it is translated to this position. Means some this 2 point shifted to another point. The position change. This is the position change. This is not the scaling. Scaling means so totally it will change. This part not change. Right? The position change here. And that's why here it will be, I am getting this one. Then after that I will do the point to which point. Through which point it is shifted, that is the point 2. This is shifted with this point 2. The rotation according to this point. According to this point came here. Right? So according to this point, this is the rotation going on. And that's why I will put the value of 2 with respect to 2. To which point it is? It is actually 0, 2 position. Right? 0, 2 position. So that's why my value will be changed here. This one will be changed to minus 2. I will multiply. After that the translation factor. Translation factor is Tx, Ty and Y. So how much translation is happen here? Translation how much happen? For that you have to check. This point is shifted to here in this point. Actually this point was there in the 0, 0 position, but now this point is at the 6, 0 position. Okay, this point was in the 0, 0 position, now it is in the 6, 0 position. So this is my translation, and the translation factor will be Tx is 6 and Ty is 0. So you put the translation factor here, that Tx equals to 6 and Ty equals to 0, not Ty equals to actually 1. This is not, this is the 6, 0 position, but this is actually 6, 1 position. So Ty will be 1. This is actually 6, 1. This position is 6, 1 position. So Ty will be 1 here. So now you can get the answer, that yes, my answer will be 6, 1 here. This is 6, 1 here, because I am doing the translation here. Tx and Ty value I have to put. After putting that, I will get this answer. Clear? Clear? This type of question they are asking from the 2D transformation. These are all your PYQs, and I tried to focus on here 2D transformation. I hope your doubt is clear, your concept is clear on 2D transformation. Yes. Yes. Yes, Ty is 1. Tx is here. 2D transformation, all the concept is clear. Okay. So next class, tell me quickly. This is some with the 2D transformation, some easy numerical we can do. Just I added these numerical questions also. Just I am asking that you did it or not. Tell me what will be the answer. Tell me what will be the answer for this one. I uploaded this numerical although, but still I want to check you did it or not. Quickly do it. Another home minister came to my home. Our home minister is our daughter. She came and she already came to room and hi. She told me finish it quickly. Yes. So your answer is option 3. Option 3 is the correct answer. We want to resize 10246768 to this pixel. So aspect ratio should be same. How the aspect ratio? Aspect ratio is width by height. Width by height, that is 1024 divided by 768, that is your aspect ratio. So this is 4 by 3. So 640 by height will be 4 by 3. So your answer will be 640 multiply 3 divided by 4. Your answer will be 480 pixel. Right? Clear to everyone? Yes. Achha, I am telling you one thing, the difference between the random scan and the raster scan. This is also very important difference. Question is there, previous year's question is there on random scan, raster scan also. So cathode ray tube, random scan, raster scan, this is a very easy topic, but question are coming from here. The primary output device of the graphical monitor, video monitor, we are using the CRT monitor, that is the cathode ray tube. Okay, so cathode ray tube, how it is working, you can see here is the base, electron gun, focusing system is here, Y deflect, X deflect, and we are using the phosphor screen. Through the phosphor screen it will be work. So the operation of CRT monitor, how it is working, the electron gun emits the beam, electrons cathode ray, then the electron beam passes through the focusing on the deflection system. When beam hit the screen, the phosphor emit the small spot of the light and each position contacted by the electron beam. It redraw the picture directing through the electric beam. This is the way how the CRT monitor mechanism is going on. From this area questions are also coming. And the main difference, this is very important, what is the difference between the random scan and the raster scan? Very important, repeated questions are coming from here. Easy thing, just focus, you can understand. Random scan and raster scan given by that here raster scan system, the electron beam is swept across the screen one row at a time from top to bottom. How it is, you can see one row at a time it is coming, after that again it is going, then again it's go, again it will come, again it will go, like this way the scan line is scanning here. Okay, as the electron beam move across each row, the beam intensity is turned on and off and create the pattern of illuminated spot here. Okay, this is the working mechanism of the raster scan. But the random scan is plotting randomly. The random scan or the vector scan. This technique, the electron beam is directed only on the part of the screen where the picture is to be drawn with the value of the coordinate. Here you can see I need to draw this one, so directly the beam will come here. Directly beam will plot the value here through the coordinate. It will not do that scanning like one by one I have to do the scanning, not like that. Exactly on that point it can put the value and it can draw it. It will draw here, then after that it will come to this, then it will draw like this way. Okay, this is the random. So random scan where picture draw, then the scanning from the left to right to top to bottom. No scanning is like raster scan. It is called vector display because the vector means exact value is passed here. So stroke writing display or the calligraphic display. Calligraphic display. All the name are important. It can be in this name also, it can be in this name also, it can be in this name also. Any name can be there. All the names are important. Picture definition stored into the set of line drawing command and the area of the memory referred as a refresh display file. Okay, yes. Okay, plotting 2 points and connect the points. Yes, it will plot the point and just like the line drawing algorithm it will work. Just the line drawing algorithm. This will take the value of the coordinate, this will also take the value, and after that just like the line drawing algorithm it will work. How we are doing line drawing algorithm, same way it will work. It will apply that method. Raster scan way it will not work. Okay, take care. Yes. From this topic how many questions are there? Computer graphics. In computer graphics you can expect 3 to 5 questions. 3 to 5. It is your unit 3. Normal weightage is like that. Programming topic and the computer graphics topic. So 5 or sometimes it can be 7-3 also. In programming they are giving more, graphics they are giving like that. This is the way. Okay, I will suggest you try to prepare like 5. But as per the trend, programming weightage is more. More weightage in programming. This is the trend. Take care. Do this question now. Quickly tell me what will be the answer for this one. Theory question is also there. I will ask next class. Tomorrow 3 PM I will come again to do the remaining topic and I will ask you a question on random and raster scan theory. I will ask that question from PYQs. This is the numerical. Do the numerical. Consider a raster system with the resolution of this one. The frame buffer is this. For the system store 12 bit per pixel. What will be the answer? Yes. So here definitely your answer will be 640 multiply into 480 multiply into 12. Now it will be in bit. Your answer will come in bit, but answer is given in byte. All are byte. Kilobyte, kilobyte, kilobyte. So 1 bit equals to 8 bit equals to 1 byte, right? So first of all I will convert in byte. After that I am getting answer in kilobyte. My answer is in kilobyte. So 1 kilobyte equals to 1024 byte. 2 to the power 20 byte is 1 kilobyte. So 1024 byte. So I will divide by 1024. Then my answer will be this one. Here most of the students are doing mistake. Ma'am, kilo means I will divide by 1000. Most of the students are doing that mistake. Kilo means I will divide by 1000, ma'am. Why my answer is not coming? 1000 not. 1000 is the kilo, that is your kbps, mbps, gbps, there you can do. But whenever you are doing in size with the computer, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, kb, mb, gb, these are all in 2 to the power 2 to the power 10, 2 to the power 20, 2 to the power 30. In computer science, this is very very important. This is your kb, this is your mb, this is your gb, and 2 to the power 40 means that is your tb. Don't do mistake here. It is not 1000, it is 1024. That is the reason you have to divide by 1024. Okay, ठीक है. चलो, the remaining topic we will do tomorrow. Tomorrow 3 PM again I will come, and again we will discuss the total remaining topic. And this is not only computer graphics. Here actually you know it is the 45 days crash course going on. Where is the 45 days crash course? This is the 45 days crash course playlist. Go to the playlist and complete everything. Everything is here for you. If you complete all the classes, already 92 classes
Hello.
are there.
Welcome to the postgraduate program.
Already 92 classes are there. You can see, if I zoom this one, you can see already 92. This is the 92 number class. So many class I provide free of cost. All are available in this playlist. Complete the playlist. If you complete the playlist, then so many learning will be done for your exam. All the topic, all the subjects are there one by one. Computer graphics was remaining, that is I am covering now. So computer graphics I will cover within 2 to 3 days, but these all the topics are waiting for you. Complete it. Just complete it. Anyhow, just complete it. Any marathon can provide you maybe 10 hours, 12 hours, 20 hours, 24 hours. Marathon can provide you this much. But day by day, small way, how much classes I provide free of cost. If you are watching these classes, then definitely 100% confirm question will come. 100% you will get the marks. And with that, definitely visit our website Unify Study. Here the free mock test is waiting for you. UGC NET free mock test. There I will upload the mock test. Here the PYQs mock test. You can see all the subject wise mock tests are waiting for you free of cost. You can install your app. Go to Play Store. Install Unify Study app. In your mobile you can attempt all the mock test. 10 minute, 20 minute time, whenever you have, try to attempt the PYQs mock test. Subject wise, all mock tests are free of cost. Must attempt it. Don't miss it and utilize your time as much as possible. Okay. Bye everyone. See you again tomorrow. And paid learner, 6:30 PM we have class. Join the class for practice live.